everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on hockey. Hockey is a popular sport played with a stick and a ball or puck. There are different types of hockey like field hockey and ice hockey. In field hockey, players play on grass or turf with a small ball. In ice hockey, players skate on ice and use a puck instead of a ball. Each team has 11 players in field hockey and 6 players in ice hockey. The goal is to score by putting the ball or puck into the opponent's net. Hockey requires teamwork, speed, and good control of the stick. India has a strong history in field hockey and has won many Olympic medals. Players wear protective gear to stay safe, especially in ice hockey. Hockey is an exciting and fast-paced sport loved by people around the world. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.